Hello everyone and welcome to the video today. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video I just wanted to share with you one of the survey sites that I use quite often in order to get paid every single day. One of the reasons I love this is because you can use this particular survey site either on a computer or on your phone. It's also an app, and that's actually how I started using it, was through the app, but I'm going to show you the computer version today. Just easier for me to share my screen this way, but it's the exact same thing on the app. So even if you're sitting in line waiting for a doctor's appointment, or if you're like me, waiting to pick up my son from school, I'll get on the app and knock out a few of these surveys and earn some money. So this is the site right here. It's called QMe. I'll leave a link in the description. But what it is a basic survey site. And as you can see, these are all the surveys that are available at the moment. And what I love about this is it actually gives you an approximation time of how long it's going to take you and how much money you're going to make. So here, this one is averaging about 7 minutes, and it's going to give you 57 cents. This one over here is about 12 to 14 minutes, and it's going to give you $1.55. So you've got a big variety of times and payouts. So here we've got you can get $10 for signing up for BarkBox. I might actually do that one because I do have a dog, and I've heard good things about BarkBox, and I've considered signing up for it. But I really only do the offers if it's something that I was already going to be getting in the first place. I don't do them just to cancel them later and get the money. Some people do that, and that's fine. If you're into that, they have that option here. But I mostly do the surveys. And like I said, I actually cash out every single day. There's no minimum to cash out. That's one of the things I absolutely love about this. Okay. I realized I was going to make this video today, and I had already cashed out yesterday, so I went online here and took a few surveys and got my balance up, because I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to cash out. So, like I mentioned, there is no minimum to cash out. You don't have to wait till you get to $10 or even $5. You can cash out if you have 50 cents in there. And the options are, I know PayPal. That's how I do it. It's super simple. If you have PayPal, that's how I recommend it. It goes immediately to your PayPal. And I just take the surveys throughout the day. At the end of the day, in the evening, I just go on my app usually and go ahead and cash out. So here's the cash out methods. PayPal, you can get gift cards, or you can give to charity if you like. Like I said, I prefer the PayPal. It's cash. Okay. Like I said, there's also gift cards. I haven't looked to see what kind they have, so let's check them out. Okay, this one, okay, I guess the gift cards, they do have minimums, probably because the gift cards only come in certain denominations, so that makes sense. So, but $5, that's not difficult to get to. Some of them are $3, so there's Dunkin' Donuts for $3. So if you're getting a gift card, obviously you have to have that amount in your balance in order to cash that out. So that technically is a minimum, but if you go through PayPal, so I've already set up my PayPal in my profile. So all I have to do is you can either specify an amount. So if I only want to pull out $1 of this $1.17, I can do that, or I can cash out all my rewards. So that's what I'm going to do today. This is like what I typically do. Like I said, I normally do it in the evening, but I'm doing this video right now, so I'll do it right now. So I go cash out. And it just makes sure that you're sure you want to do that. And it says you like to transfer $1.17 to your PayPal account. And I'm going to click yes, go for it. And you have successfully cashed out. Okay, that's how simple it is. As you can see, these are pretty high payouts for these surveys that don't really take a lot of time. So if you just take, 10 to 15 minutes throughout your day, you can really rack up a lot of points. I tend to cash out every evening anywhere from $5 to $10. That's usually my average. I have a lot of stuff going on, so I don't spend a ton of time doing this, but it's so simple and so easy that I really could dedicate a lot of time to it, and my balance would be a lot more. And that's per day that I'm getting, $5 to $10 per day, just by answering these simple surveys. Super easy. I love that there's no cash out minimum if you're going to PayPal. And so I wanted to share that with you today. I hope you enjoy this video. Go ahead and sign up if you're interested. I'll leave the link in the description so you can get started. And also remember, it is also an app. Okay, that'll help you get more money because everyone's on their phone constantly. I've actually done one of these surveys while I was standing in line at a grocery store. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out. And feel free to subscribe if you're into videos like this where I share how I make extra money online. And I also show you how I make a full-time living online. I do not make a full-time living taking these surveys. I actually am an affiliate marketer, and I have a business that I run online. This is just extra stuff that I like to call pocket change, and it's real simple, real easy, and you know, I like to do these kind of things, and it just gives me extra spending money. So I always like to throw these into my videos as well. So I hope you liked the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.